Hi, this is Miss Reed. This is your reading and social studies teacher for this year. I wanted to take a second and show you around and let you see how our Bitmoji classroom is going to work on Canvas. In order to get to certain things for class, I will be posting links into this Bitmoji classroom. Um, on the computer, when you click on the computer, it will immediately take you to Epic. We will be using Epic quite a bit this year, and I will have the class code for you, and it will be posted back onto the dry erase board, and I will have it down here in the bottom left corner. If you click on the poster, it will take you to a precept of the day. This is something I did last year, and it was just a nice little words of encouragement and quotes and things that just kind of made your day better. And I want to keep that up this year. So I will be posting that. So whenever you need just a little pick me up, feel free to click on the poster. If you click on the Ravenclaw, the eagle and the blue, if you click on this, it will take you to our Zoom expectations. So Zoom expectations will be the same as the classroom. That's what is on this document right here. So if you ever forget, or if you need to refresh yourself with our Zoom expectations, you will be able to click on that and it will take you directly to it so you can view it and read them. If you click on announcements, there will be whatever announcements we have. There's nothing there at this particular moment, but any announcements that I have will be posted right here on announcements. And again, just click that and it will open a new link just like it did when you click this and the poster. Same with the Hogwarts crest. If you click on this, there's nothing there right now, but if you click on this, it will take you to our schedule. So if you ever forget what your virtual learning schedule is, if you ever forget what class you're supposed to be in, what special you have, this is what you would click and it would take you to that schedule. Now, the books here, if you click on these, it will take you to Canvas. Well, it will take you to My NC Ed Cloud. That's where you will log into Canvas, and it will, when you do that, it will take you to this page here. You won't see as much as I do, but you will have Canvas, and it will have all of your courses. There will also be Clever, which we will use, and that will also be in your NC Ed Cloud that you can click on. Those are really the only things that we will be utilizing for my classes. So that is how, so that is what clicking on these books will do. Not everything is up and linked at this moment, but it will be. So just make sure to click on the right things when you need that. Again, this right here, this crest, is our Zoom expectations. This right here, this crest, will be our daily schedule. Announcements will be our announcements, anything important I have to share. When you click on Epic, it will take you to Epic. And again, this poster will take you to Precept of the Day if you need a little pick-me-up that day. I look forward to this year, and I am so excited to start this. As not normal as it is, I am so excited to meet everybody virtually and to have a wonderful year.